welcome back. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Tokyo offers endless surprises. In this video, we'll take you to the top 8 must-visit tourist destinations in Tokyo that will leave you in awe. Our first stop is the Tokyo Skytree, standing tall at 634 meters. This iconic structure isn't just the tallest in Japan, it's home to observation decks offering breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Visit during sunset for a magical experience, or check out the shopping and aquarium in the complex below. Next up is the world-famous Shibuya Crossing. Often called the busiest pedestrian crossing in the world, it's a chaotic yet mesmerizing experience. Don't forget to snap a selfie with the Hachiko statue, then explore the trendy shops and cafes in the area. Escape the hustle and bustle at Meiji Shrine, a peaceful haven in the heart of Tokyo. Surrounded by lush greenery, this Shinto shrine is dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shoken. Participate in a traditional prayer ritual or just soak in the calm atmosphere. Looking for tranquility in the city, Hamarikyu Gardens is the perfect spot. These traditional gardens offer a stunning blend of nature and modernity, with skyscrapers towering in the background. Enjoy a cup of matcha at the tea house while taking in the views. No trip to Tokyo is complete without visiting Harajuku. Famous for its eccentric street fashion and unique stores, Takashita Street is a paradise for trendsetters and foodies alike. Don't miss the chance to try their famous rainbow cotton candy or savory crepes. For anime and tech enthusiasts, Akihabara is a dream come true. Explore multi-story stores filled with manga, gaming consoles, and electronic gadgets. It's also the best place to experience themed cafes, like the iconic Maid Cafes. I'll drop the link to our Akihabara video down in the description. Tsukiji is the place to indulge in Tokyo's freshest seafood. While the wholesale fish market has moved to Toyosu, Tsukiji's outer market remains a vibrant spot for sushi, sashimi, and other Japanese delicacies. Finally, a surprising gem, the Statue of Liberty Tokyo. Located in Odaiba, this replica overlooks the beautiful Tokyo Bay and Rainbow Bridge. It's the perfect photo spot and a fun twist on your Tokyo adventure. From breathtaking views to vibrant culture and incredible food, Tokyo truly has it all. Which of these destinations is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.